Hey, welcome or welcome back. Today we'll see how to crochet this super cute daisy button accessory. For this we'll need a 3 mm crochet hook and now make a magic ring with yellow color yarn. Add 15 single crochet in the magic ring. After making 15 single crochet, slip stitch into the first stitch of this magic ring. Tie a knot at the back to secure it properly. Now change the yarn color to white. Make a chain of 2 single crochet, then make a 1 double crochet in the first stitch. After this, make 1 treble crochet in the next stitch and again another treble crochet in the same stitch. Now make 1 double crochet in the third stitch and chain 2 and slip stitch in the same third stitch. Repeat this pattern all along and make overall 5 petals. And that's it, your crochet button accessory is ready to use.